Procedural programming is one of the most fundamental approaches to writing computer programs. It's a method where the logic of the program is built around procedures, also known as routines or functions. This style of programming is all about breaking down a problem into a sequence of steps or procedures that the computer follows one after another. Think of it as giving the computer a recipe to follow step by step. This approach is especially popular for beginners because it's straightforward and easy to understand. In this video, we'll explore what makes procedural programming unique, how it works, and why it's still widely used today. Procedural programming has its roots in the early days of computer science. As computers became more powerful, programmers needed a way to organize their code so it was easier to read, maintain, and debug. The procedural approach emerged as a solution, allowing programmers to structure their code into logical blocks. This made complex programs more manageable and helped pave the way for modern software development. Languages like C, Pascal, and BASIC were developed with procedural programming in mind, and they remain influential even today. Understanding this history helps us appreciate why procedural programming is so foundational. The heart of procedural programming are procedures, also called functions or routines. These are self-contained blocks of code that perform specific tasks. By dividing a program into procedures, you can reuse code, make your programs easier to understand, and simplify debugging. Each procedure is designed to do one thing well, and you can call it whenever you need that task done. This modular approach is what gives procedural programming its power and flexibility. As we move forward, you'll see how procedures help keep code organized and efficient. Procedural programming relies heavily on variables to store and manipulate data. Variables act as containers that hold information your program needs to work with, such as numbers, text, or more complex data types. By assigning values to variables, you can perform calculations, make decisions, and control the flow of your program. Understanding how to use variables effectively is a key skill in procedural programming, and it's something you'll use in almost every program you write. One of the most important features of procedural programming is the use of control structures like if statements. These allow your program to make decisions based on certain conditions. For example, you might want your program to do one thing if a variable is greater than 10 and something else if it's not. If statements give your programs the ability to react to different situations, making them much more flexible and powerful. Loops are another essential part of procedural programming. They allow you to repeat a set of instructions multiple times, which is useful for tasks like processing lists or performing calculations. There are different types of loops, such as for loops and while loops, each suited to different situations. By mastering loops, you can write programs that handle repetitive tasks efficiently and with less code. It's important to understand how procedural programming differs from object-oriented programming. While procedural programming focuses on procedures and the sequence of actions, object-oriented programming organizes code around objects and their interactions. Each approach has its strengths, but procedural programming is often simpler and more direct, making it a great starting point for beginners. Several programming languages are designed with procedural programming in mind. Some of the most popular include C, Pascal, and BASIC. These languages provide clear syntax for defining procedures, variables, and control structures. Learning any of these languages will give you a solid foundation in procedural programming concepts, which you can then apply to more advanced topics later on. Procedural programming is used in many real-world applications. For example, operating systems, embedded systems, and even some video games rely on procedural code for their core functionality. The straightforward nature of procedural programming makes it ideal for tasks that require clear step-by-step instructions. By studying real-world examples, you'll see just how powerful and versatile this approach can be. There are several advantages to using procedural programming. It's easy to learn, especially for beginners, and it encourages a logical step-by-step approach to problem solving. Programs written in a procedural style are often easier to debug and maintain, since the flow of control is clear and predictable. These benefits make procedural programming a great choice for many types of projects. While procedural programming has many strengths, it's not without its drawbacks. As programs grow larger and more complex, procedural code can become harder to manage. It can also be less flexible when dealing with certain types of problems, such as those that involve lots of interacting data. Understanding these limitations will help you decide when procedural programming is the right tool for the job. Typical procedural program is organized into a main routine and several supporting procedures. The main routine acts as the entry point, calling other procedures as needed to perform specific tasks. This structure keeps the code organized and makes it easier to follow the program's logic. By dividing your code into logical sections, you can tackle complex problems one step at a time. Let's look at how procedures work in practice. Imagine you're writing a program to calculate the average of a list of numbers. You might have one procedure to read the numbers, another to calculate the sum, and a third to compute the average. By breaking the problem into smaller tasks, each handled by its own procedure, your code becomes easier to write, test, and maintain. Comments are an important part of procedural programming. They help explain what your code is doing, making it easier for others and your future self to understand. Good comments describe the purpose of each procedure, the meaning of variables, and any tricky parts of the code. By using comments effectively, you can make your programs more readable and maintainable. Debugging is the process of finding and fixing errors in your code. In procedural programming, debugging is often straightforward because the flow of control is clear. You can test each procedure individually, making it easier to isolate problems. Tools like print statements and debuggers can help you track down issues and ensure your program works as intended. C is one of the most popular procedural programming languages. Its syntax is designed for writing efficient, structured code. In C, you define functions to perform specific tasks, use variables to store data, and control the flow with if statements and loops. Learning C is a great way to master procedural programming concepts and build a strong foundation for other languages. Python is another language that supports procedural programming. Its simple syntax makes it easy to write and read code, especially for beginners. In Python, you can define functions, use variables, and control the flow just like in other procedural languages. Python's flexibility means you can start with procedural programming and move on to more advanced styles as you gain experience. Pascal was designed as a teaching language, making it perfect for learning procedural programming. Its clear structure and strong typing help prevent errors and encourage good programming habits. Pascal programs are organized into procedures and functions, with a main program that coordinates everything. Many computer science courses still use Pascal to introduce students to programming concepts. BASIC is another classic procedural language known for its simplicity and ease of use. It was designed to be accessible to beginners, and many early personal computers came with BASIC built-in. Writing programs in BASIC involves defining procedures, using variables, and controlling the flow with simple commands. It's a great way to get started with programming. JavaScript is best known for web development, but it also supports procedural programming. You can write functions, use variables, and control the flow of your code just like in other procedural languages. JavaScript's flexibility makes it a good choice for both simple scripts and more complex applications. Learning procedural programming in JavaScript can help you build interactive websites and web apps. Embedded systems like those found in cars, appliances, and medical devices often use procedural programming. These systems need reliable, efficient code that's easy to test and maintain. Procedural programming's clear structure makes it ideal for these applications, where safety and reliability are critical. Many embedded systems are programmed in C, taking advantage of its procedural features. Many operating systems, including early versions of Windows and Unix, were written using procedural programming. The need for clear, efficient code made procedural languages like C the go-to choice for system-level programming. By organizing code into procedures, developers could manage complex tasks like memory management, file systems, and device drivers more effectively. Video games, especially older ones, are built using procedural programming. Game logic, input handling, and graphics routines are often organized into procedures. This approach makes it easier to manage the different parts of a game and ensures that the code runs efficiently. Even today, procedural programming is used in game development for certain tasks. Procedural programming is well suited for data processing tasks, such as sorting, searching, and transforming data. By breaking these tasks into procedures, you can write code that's easy to test and reuse. Many data processing applications, from spreadsheets to scientific simulations, rely on procedural code to handle large amounts of information efficiently. Procedural programming is often the first style taught in computer science courses. Its clear structure and logical flow make it ideal for introducing students to programming concepts. By learning procedural programming, students develop problem-solving skills and a solid understanding of how computers execute instructions. Automation scripts, such as those used for system administration or data migration, often use procedural programming. These scripts perform a series of steps in a specific order, making procedural programming a natural fit. By organizing tasks into procedures, you can automate repetitive processes and save time. Scientific computing often involves complex calculations and data analysis. Procedural programming is a good fit for these tasks, as it allows scientists to break down problems into manageable steps. Many scientific applications, such as simulations and statistical analysis tools, are built using procedural languages like Fortran and C. Financial applications, such as accounting software and trading systems, often use procedural programming. These programs need to process transactions, generate reports, and handle data securely. By organizing these tasks into procedures, developers can ensure that financial software is reliable and easy to maintain. Web servers, which handle requests from browsers and deliver web pages, often use procedural programming for their core logic. By organizing request handling, data retrieval, and response generation into procedures, web servers can efficiently manage multiple users and deliver content quickly. Networking applications, such as email clients and file transfer programs, often use procedural programming. These programs need to follow specific protocols and handle data in a precise order. By using procedures, developers can ensure that networking code is reliable and easy to troubleshoot. Robotics programming often relies on procedural code to control movement, process sensor data, and manage tasks. By organizing robot actions into procedures, developers can create reliable and predictable behavior. Procedural programming's clear structure is especially useful in robotics, where safety and precision are critical. Security applications such as antivirus software and firewalls often use procedural programming. These programs need to scan files, detect threats, and respond quickly to security events. By organizing these tasks into procedures, developers can build software that's both effective and easy to update. Utility programs such as file managers and disk cleaners often use procedural programming. These tools perform a series of steps to help users manage their computers. By organizing tasks into procedures, utility programs can be efficient, reliable, and easy to use. Many mobile apps, especially simple ones, use procedural programming for their core logic. By organizing actions into procedures, developers can create apps that are easy to test and maintain. Procedural programming is a good choice for apps that perform a series of tasks in a specific order. Scripting languages like Bash and Perl are often used for procedural programming. Scripts perform a series of commands in a specific order, making procedural programming a natural fit. By organizing scripts into procedures, you can automate complex tasks and manage system operations more effectively. Cloud computing platforms often use procedural programming for managing resources, processing data, and automating tasks. By organizing cloud operations into procedures, developers can create scalable and reliable cloud services. Procedural programming's clear structure helps ensure that cloud applications run smoothly and efficiently. Some artificial intelligence applications, especially early ones, use procedural programming to implement algorithms and process data. By organizing AI tasks into procedures, developers can create programs that are easier to understand and debug. While modern AI often uses other paradigms, procedural programming still plays a role in certain areas. Internet of Things, IoT, connects devices like sensors, appliances, and vehicles. Many IoT devices use procedural programming to process data and control actions. By organizing device logic into procedures, developers can create reliable and efficient IoT applications that respond quickly to changing conditions. Automation testing tools often use procedural programming to define test cases and control test execution. By organizing tests into procedures, testers can automate repetitive checks and ensure software quality. Procedural programming's clear structure makes it easy to create, maintain, and update test scripts. Data analysis often involves processing large datasets and performing calculations. Procedural programming is well suited for these tasks, as it allows analysts to break down complex processes into manageable steps. By organizing analysis tasks into procedures, you can write code that's efficient, reusable, and easy to understand. Simulation software, such as those used in engineering and science, often relies on procedural programming. By organizing simulation steps into procedures, developers can model complex systems and run experiments efficiently. Procedural programming's logical flow makes it ideal for simulations that require precise control over each step. Many legacy systems, such as those used in banking and government, are built on procedural programming. These systems have been running reliably for decades, and their procedural code is often maintained and updated as needed. Understanding procedural programming is essential for working with and modernizing these important systems. Many open source projects use procedural programming, especially those that aim for simplicity and broad compatibility. By organizing code into procedures, open source developers can create software that's easy to understand, modify, and contribute to. Procedural programming's straightforward style makes it a popular choice in the open source community. Startups often use procedural programming for rapid prototyping and building minimum viable products. Its simplicity and speed make it ideal for quickly testing ideas and iterating on feedback. By organizing code into procedures, startups can develop software efficiently and adapt to changing requirements. Procedural programming is a foundational approach to writing software. By breaking problems into procedures using variables and controlling the flow with structures like if statements and loops, you can create clear, efficient, and reliable programs. Whether you're building operating systems, games, or automation scripts, procedural programming gives you the tools to tackle a wide range of challenges. Now that you understand the basics, you're ready to explore more advanced programming concepts and expand your skills even further.